Before we get started with PowerShell, you need to remember a few things um, to make sure the PowerShell environment works perfectly for you. Make sure to download the latest version of PowerShell, and you can check the version by giving this command get-host. If you can see the latest version, that is 5.1, then you can use all the commandlets in your PowerShell console. If not, go ahead and open Microsoft website and download Windows Management Framework 5.1 and install it. Once you're done with the installation, try to update the help on your PowerShell using this commandlet. By doing so, the help for all the commandlets will be updated from Microsoft, and which is very useful when you're working on with a specific commandlet inside the PowerShell. Just remember these two things. Try to figure out which version of PowerShell are you using. If it is a latest version, then you're good to go. If not, download it from Microsoft website saying Windows Management Framework 5.1, and also once you're done with installation, go ahead and update the help for your PowerShell. If you do so, it will be easier for you to work with the commandlets, because help always is help, right? So if you have updated help for each commandlet, in fact, there is no need of looking at articles or watching videos like these if you know how to understand the PowerShell help. So just go ahead and update your PowerShell help also. It will make life easier for you. So once I'm done with the updation of this help, I'll continue recording this video.